In this video, we're taking you on a tour of our 2-night stay at the Royal Palms Resort and Spa in Phoenix, Arizona. Originally built as a 1920s era home, this historic resort is reminiscent of an elegant Spanish colonial style estate and has 119 casitas, estate rooms, and villas, which each offer unique historic touches and majestic views of the Arizona mountains and the lush courtyard gardens. Situated right in the heart of Phoenix, Arizona, Royal Palms places guests close to iconic golf courses, nightlife, national parks, the Desert Botanical Garden, and Scottsdale Stadium. The resort features a Forbes 4-star rated Alvadora spa, world-class cuisine, a 24-hour outdoor pool with cabanas, a 24-hour gym, and daily resort activities. This charming courtyard with Camelback Mountain in the background welcomes all guests as they make their way inside. Let's take a look at our King Jr. Suite here at the Royal Palms Resort and Spa in Phoenix, Arizona. We are at room 140. So as soon as you walk in, the king bed is right in front of you. Here's a small chair to sit in beside the fireplace. It's very hot right now, so we'll turn that off after this video. Here's a little working desk, big screen TV, and some storage. Here's a drawer and some more storage below it. And here's the ice bucket with a couple glasses. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. It's a single sink vanity with this large mirror. And there's another mirror right here. A full-size stand-up mirror. A couple bathrobes. Here is the toilet and shower. No bathtub in this room. So there's the shower. And they have the coffee and tea by the closet area. There's a couple bottles of water, the coffee and tea right there, and the Keurig coffee maker. And here's a little snack bar with items for purchase. Let's see what's in the fridge. So they have a bunch of alcohol and some sodas and coffee drinks. And if you're a World of Hyatt member, you can have this water for free. Otherwise, you have to pay $6. There's the safe and the closet. There's an ironing board, an iron, hair dryer, and some more storage. Now let's make our way outside to the patio. So let's step outside. We have a small patio with 2 chairs, table, and we have a view of Camelback Mountain, which we're gonna hike tomorrow, hopefully. A little garden area. So that is a tour of our King Jr. Suite here at the Royal Palms. On our first day, we went on a history tour at 10 a.m. Our guide Barbara took us around the property, which is almost a century old, and explained its rich history and how the hotel has changed throughout the years.
So we're literally almost 100 years old.
Yeah.
We celebrated 95 years last year, so we're into, 75 years. We're in the 70s original. It's a gorgeous room, and you open up those doors and you can see the fountain from here. But yeah, it's a lovely room. And they just painted in here and they did.
What kind of room was this before?
It was a bedroom.
Oh, okay.
Bedroom and a sitting area.
We enjoyed the tour and recommend it to guests so they can see points of interest around the hotel grounds they would otherwise miss. Tea Cooks is the hotel's historic restaurant and is highly regarded in the Valley of the Sun. Brunch is served daily from 7 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and dinner from 5:30 to 10 p.m. We had brunch here 3 times, which always started off with some complimentary beignets. They offer a juice of the day which changes daily, as well as a selection of smoothies. The staff recommended us to start off with this delicious focaccia bread with pesto dip. Our favorite entree was the huevos rancheros with its extra crispy tortilla and chorizo that was bursting with flavor. We also ordered the breakfast burrito, Mediterranean Benedict, breakfast sandwich, grilled chicken sandwich, and fish tacos. We ate dinner at Tea Cooks both nights we were there. Our favorite item was the short rib plate, which was so tender, while the branzino dish came in a close second. The homemade bolognese pasta and elote rigatoni were both good as well. We finished off dinner with this beautifully presented limonata for dessert. We took part in the complimentary mixology class, which took place at Mix Up Bar at 2 p.m. Our bartender asked each of us to pick a drink from this menu, and he walked us through how to make each drink. It was a fun little activity, and we got to enjoy the drinks we made afterwards. Don't miss the daily happy hour at Mix Up Bar every day from 4 to 6 p.m., where you can get appetizers for 50% off, discounted beers, wines, and cocktails. We ordered the Caesar salad, chicken wings, and our favorite happy hour item was this delicious crab cake. It's definitely a good deal for some delicious food, so make sure to stop by for happy hour. On Friday and Saturday nights, a singer performs at the Mix Up Bar from 7 to 10 p.m. For the ultimate in relaxation, book a treatment at Alvadora Spa, which is open daily from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. The Forbes 4-star rated spa offers a collection of signature treatments centered around the nurturing essences of the Mediterranean. Escape the desert heat at the resort's outdoor swimming pool, which is open 24 hours. Cabanas and daybeds are available for reservation, while food and drinks can be ordered poolside from Cabana Cafe, located just beside the pool area. The 2-story, 24-hour gym is located by the pool area. The first floor has free weights, a cable machine, and multiple cardio equipment, while the second floor is more of an open space with mats and a couple cardio machines. With its beautiful grounds and history, Royal Palms is a popular site for weddings and features 3 venues. The first one is located by the restaurant. The second is a larger space located in the back for bigger groups. My favorite was this intimate space with a fireplace in the middle for smaller weddings. So the hotel also provides this hiking kit, which comes inside this bag, and it comes with a bottled water, a Cliff mini bar, a hiking map, some wipes, and sunblock. Camelback Mountain is the most popular hike in the area, and we made good use of the hiking kit and brought some extra water along for this challenging hike. Guests can explore the surrounding area with these bikes, which are available for use by the valet. On our last day, we used the hotel's complimentary transportation to drop us off at Old Town Scottsdale to explore the area before getting on our flight. They can also drop you off at Scottsdale Fashion Square Mall based on availability. We enjoyed our relaxing 2-day stay at this historical hotel. We really liked all the scattered alcoves with benches, fireplaces, and fountains where you can just sit down and enjoy the peaceful, quiet surroundings. The highlight of our stay was definitely the excellent food at T Cook's, which we can't wait to go back to. We highly recommend this resort for adults who want a relaxing and peaceful getaway while enjoying the warm, sunny weather and magnificent views of Camelback Mountain. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.